5 Hotel, push start approved.
5 Hotel, push start approved.
Good morning, Beeline 12 Hotel, Alpha 9 West.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, hello. Left turn Alpha, then at Juliet, take the 180 under Bravo, stand 101.
Left turn Alpha, Juliet, and second rest.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, left Alpha at Juliet, make the 180 back onto Bravo, stand 101.
Stand 101 Alpha, and then 180 at Juliet for Bravo, Beeline 12 Hotel.
Bye-bye. 134.125, speedbird 894, connect. 3 Papa. Delta 39, monitor tower, 118.5.
118.5, Delta 39.
Heathrow Brown, United 177 on stand 232, engine 1's complete.
United 177, roger.
233, thank you, hold November Bravo 11.
Hold November Bravo 11, speedbird 233. 761, thank you. Speedbird 761, roger. Right turn onto Bravo to hold short of Delta. Stand is 515 at Foxtrot, give way to Virgin 330, just pushing back under turn.
Bravo, hold short of Delta, 515, Foxtrot, give way to Virgin. Speedbird 761.
153, right Alpha, hold Hawker.
Right Alpha, hold Hawker, Shamrock 153.
302 Whiskey at link 30, join Bravo, and then at link 32, rejoin Alpha to hold Hawker.
Link 30, rejoin Bravo, and then link 32, join Alpha to hold Hawker, Virgin 302 Whiskey.
Beeline Victor, Lima at link 30, give way to Virgin 320, then continue on Bravo to hold short of Foxtrot.
Radio, get to Virgin, then continue to Bravo, hold short of Foxtrot, Beeline Victor, Lima.
Line Victor, hello, right turn onto Bravo, hold short of Delta, stand 505. Right turn Bravo, hold short Delta to 505, short Line Victor. 7 and Alpha 7, you can cross 09 left.
Heathrow Tower after landing British Airways 747, cross 09 left, fire 8.
Checker, after landing British Airways 747, you can enter 09 left at Alpha 7.
After landing BA 747 and 09 left, channel.
Right turn and then hold November Bravo 1118.
Right turn, hold Bravo 1118. Left W0, 09 left.
Octave 1, Eco Tiger, morning, continue approach.
Continue.
United 45, report your head into Heathrow 134.975, bye.
34975, United 45, bye. Straight ahead, left echo, hold echo, 117.
There's no growth ready for talk. 153, monitor tower 18.5.
Tower Sarah, 185, Shamrock 153, bye.
Fire 8, roger. Alpha Golf to approved 363.
Approved, 363, Alpha Golf.
Bravo 8 departure in about 5 minutes.
November Bravo 8, we'll hold short Shamrock 153.
We were 233 after Qatari A330, line up 091.
233, after the Qatari A330 on the other side, line up and wait, line right.
Lufthansa 5 Hotel.
Hey, Brown, taxi.
Lufthansa 5 Hotel, roger, you're giving way to British Airways 747 from the right, then make the right turn onto Bravo, link 32 Alpha, hold Hawker.
Lufthansa 5 Hotel, number 2 behind 747, British Airways from the right. Then via Bravo, link 32 Alpha and hold at Hawker.
Bravo 11, stay there, way to a British Airways that is about to pass you on your left-hand side now. Then make the left turn back onto Bravo, Foxtrot, stand 340.
Get wide Bravo, Foxtrot, 340, Manchester.
Beaver 761, contact ground 121.850.
Ground 121.850, Beaver 761, thanks.
Beaver 148, chance you got off book time on the aircraft and on stand, please, company don't know.
Who was that, 148?
Yeah, the 148.
Speed 148, we'll find out for
Okay, we'll give way to the American, and then we'll give way to the company Airbus going through OK. It's up to 2 o'clock now, and then Bravo, hold short Delta, speed 1.
Good morning, Express 30 Romeo, stand 120 request. Sorry, let's go a second. Good morning, Express 30 Romeo from stand 120 request. Push back. Express 30 Romeo, push start approved. Push start approved, Express 30 Romeo. Good morning, Etihad 012, request push back from gate 410. Etihad 012, push and start approved, face north, leave link 44 clear. Okay, we push face north and make sure link 44 is clear. Etihad 012. That's Beaver 147, correction to my last getting rid of that company traffic, just need to overcut now, make the left turn Echo, then right Alpha to hold Hawker.
Echo, right Alpha, hold Hawker, speed 1.
Alpha Golf, full park 363, Alpha Alpha.
103, ready for push and start.
Alpha Golf, Roger.
Good afternoon, good morning.
Flight Bulgarian 852, hello, push and start approved.
Just set up, I will get it back.
T5, bye-bye.
Thank you very much. 118.825, speed 233, good day.
950, Mike, there'll be landing traffic before you depart.
Speed 950, Mike, Roger, all decision.
302 Whiskey, monitor tower, 118.5.
135 is 302, get it.
3 mediums to depart ahead.
About 192, give way to the Scandinavian 737, vacated the runway, you're right.
Give way to the Scandinavian, about to clear the runway, speed 192.
Scandinavian 803, going 121.9, bye-bye.
121, bye-bye.
Our left, line up the way, the other 10, with 3 to Victor. Lufthansa 5, Lima Yankee, push start approved.
5, remaining push, start approved. Going 1 is Scandinavian 803.
Scandinavian 803, right Bravo, left Foxtrot, and hold Foxtrot 1, stand 307.
Third level, left also, hold control, gate 307, Scandinavian 803.
Uniform Romeo, permission to turn on D9 base, 22520.
Straight ahead, hold short Yankee.
Straight ahead, hold for the Yankee Station 302, whiskey, good morning.
Link 30. Drive left on Bravo, hold short 20, D9, uniform Romeo. Delta?
To Delta, as we 192.
So Lima is approaching Foxtrot. Line of Victor, Lima, continue to hold short of Echo. Hold short of Echo, be line of Victor Lima.
Delta 3, 9, thank you, hold position, there's landing traffic, and then you'll be number 4 to depart.
Delta 3, holding position.
Swiss 3 to Victor from November 10, take takeoff 9 right, 160 degrees, less than 5.
109 right, to take off this Peter Victor.
Gentlemen, 58 uniform, report your altitude, please.
Measuring 58 uniform, just passing 2,700 feet.
Thank you, contact number 120.525, bye-bye.
10525, German 58 uniform, bye-bye.
6576, first right, hold short Yankee.
First right, hold short, Yankee, good 576.
120 at 5.
Clear to land, 09 left, speed 543.
Good night, 4 Heathrow Tower, good morning, continue approach 79F, to number 2. 53. Sherlock 711, push start approved, face west.
Start to face west, Sherlock 711.
Speedboat 192, contact ground 121.850.
Wait.
Speedboat 192, contact ground 121.850.
Could you count hold short of link 53?
Well, totally, link 53, every everyone drop down, right?
Then Alta 100, clear to land 90 right, 130 degrees, 4 knots.
Clear to land 90 right, stop 1,400.
Shot 153 and 40 heading to Heathrow, 134975, bye-bye.
134,975 to mark 153, morning.
950, Mike, after the landing, Air Malta 320, line up 9 right.
Roger, after the landing, Air Malta 320, line up 9 right, speed 950, Mike.
2302 Whiskey. Give way to the 321. In fact, I don't think you can get in front of them, but give way to the 321, then hold November Bravo 11.
Definitely give way to the 321, hold November Bravo 11.
Group 576, give way to the Virgin Airbus on your left, then hold at November Bravo 11.
Hello, right turn Alpha, link 11, join Bravo, hold short of Delta, stand 521.
Right turn Alpha, link 11, Bravo, hold short Delta, stand 511, script 543.
Scandinavian 803, left Bravo, stand 307.
Left Bravo, stand 307.
Very good morning, continue approach. One in your 12 o'clock into Kilo for stand 120.
Via Kilo, stand 120, La Pena.
United 124 left, link 28, hold November Bravo 1, short 09 right.
100, contact ground 121.9 now, bye-bye.
219, bye-bye.
Cuba 950, Mike, then take off 90 right, 140 degrees, so 5.
Take off 90 right, Cuba 950.
28, hold short, November Bravo 1, short of 09 right, United 124 heavy.
Hamilton 100, hello, stand is 407, make the immediate left turn onto Sierra to hold short of link 43.
Immediate left turn and hold short of 43 and hold turn 100.
30 Romeo, request taxi. West 30 Romeo, turn right onto Bravo, link 32 Alpha, hold Hawker.
Right, Bravo, link 32 Alpha, hold Hawker, Swiss 30 Romeo.
Who was that? Club Bulgaria 852, Whiskey left Sierra, hold Sierra 11.
Whiskey, left Sierra, hold Sierra 11,
Lufthansa 5 Hotel, monitor tower 118.5.
Alpha 10, 1185 to monitor, goodbye.
Lima Victor Lima, hold short of Delta and contact ground, channel 10.
10, hold short Delta. Good Speedbird 278, vacating.
Speedbird 278, right Alpha, link 11 to Bravo, hold short of Delta, stand 553.
Alpha, link 11 to Bravo, hold short Delta, 553, speed 278.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, request taxi.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, follow the Swiss regional jet just about to leave Kilo and hold Hawker.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, follow Swiss, hold at Hawker.
Virgin 30 Mike Papa Ashton outbound, Lufthansa 320, push start approved. Chum Rock 711, hold position.
Whiskey here, show 711.
Ground Qantas Quebec Alpha, line to push 305 and turn to 595, please.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, if you just hold position where you are, I'll call you back very shortly.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, hold position.
Quebec Alpha, line to push 305, turn to 595, please.
Quebec Alpha, Roger, hold position, I'll call you.
0543, holding short Delta.
Speedbird 543, contact ground, 121.850.
121.850, script 543.
Cuba 950, Mike, contact London on 120.525, bye-bye.
120.525, Spirit 950, Mike, bye-bye.
118.5.
And then Spirit 94, vacating Alpha 8.
Speedbird 904. Give way to the Aer Lingus and then make the right turn onto Bravo to hold short of Delta, stand 561.
Okay, give way to an Lingus, then on to Bravo, and hold short of Delta, 561, Spirit 94.
Hamilton 100, first flight, then left, stand 407.
First flight then left, 407 or 100.
Not by time, maybe taxi.
Block 281 AFM, make the right turn now into Kilo, stand 139.
128, get to your taxi, La Pena.
Austrian 452 Romeo, after inbound, lot 737 for 139, your push start approved.
After the next incoming, push and start of approved us, then 452 Romeo.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, give way to inbound lot 737 from the left, and make the right turn onto Bravo, link 32 Alpha, hold Hawker.
Lufthansa 5 Lima Yankee, give way to the lot from the left, then continue Bravo, link 32, Alpha, hold at Hawker.
Beeline Uniform Romeo, holding short of link 30.
Beeline Uniform Romeo, Roger, continue on Bravo, hold short of Foxtrot.
Qantas Quebec Alpha, I'd like to push 305, total 595, please.
Qantas Quebec Alpha, push approved to face to the west, leaving link 32 clear behind you.
Push approved, face west, leaving link 32 clear. Quebec Alpha.
1194775, engine 302, Whiskey, good day.
118.5.
18.5, good day.
4.975, bye-bye.
Delta 39, we'll go 134975, hello.
In Alpha, and then at Romeo, rejoin Bravo to hold short of Foxtrot.
32 Alpha,
Take off 9 right, 150 degrees at 5.
Take off 9 right, 55,
14, surface wind 120, less than 5 knots, 09 left, clear to land.
clear on 9 left, 114.
Numerous stations there, break Scandinavian 525, right turn onto Bravo, left Foxtrot, hold Foxtrot 1, stand 305 left.
Right Bravo, left Foxtrot, Foxtrot 1, hold, and 305 left, Scandinavian 525.
Beeline Uniform Romeo, just going to confirm your routing, sir. At link 32, join Alpha, and then rejoin Alpha and Romeo to hold short of Foxtrot.
32 Alpha, Alpha Romeo, hold short Foxtrot. Beeline Uniform Romeo.
Everyone Golf November, line up and wait, traffic to cross the runway at the other end.
Copy, Area 31, Golf November.
Press the 1 at Yankee after next departing Iberia A320 from the full length. Line at 9 right, flying November, Bravo 8.
After the departing Iberia, MS 320. Line up, 27, 09 right, shadow 1.
Leave at 147 after the Iberia 320 ahead of you, line up 09 right.
After the Iberia 320, front away 9 right,